Hi, I'm Georgina, designer of Narcissique Couture, and today I'm going to teach you how to take your measurements. Your body measurements in case you want to make a dress or order a dress from a designer. So first of all, make sure you start from the beginning, because sometimes you are in a hurry and you end up taking your measurements in the wrong way, starting by the end of the tape. So first of all, start with the tape, and first measure. We are going to take the waist. The waist is the smallest part. Okay, the smallest part, like this, and then the hip, which is the biggest part. You can try to turn it to make sure it is the widest part. Okay, like this. And then we will need the bust. The bust, like this. Okay. And then we sometimes will need the upper bust and the lower bust. The upper bust is like this. Just where the arms start, like this, and the lower bust, which is the smallest part, just like this. Okay, then we will go with the shoulders. The shoulders, it's like this. Well, you can take it better on the back, just like this. And then we will need two measurements from shoulder to waist. If you're not sure if the waist is like this, here or here, you can take another tape or maybe a ribbon and put it around your waist and then take the measure. Okay, and then we will need from shoulder to the nipple, just like this. Okay, then we will need the neck. The neck, make sure it is not very tight, because you need to take some breath when you wear a dress. So more or less like this. Okay, and then we will need the arms. We will need two measures. Two measures for a short arm dress. We will need first this one. Make sure it is up on the shoulder, not down. Okay, like this. And you have to be able to move your arm like this. Okay, so it is not too tight. More or less like this. Okay, and then the bicep, which is here. It is the biggest part of your arm, so make sure it is not too tight also. And then we will need finally the total length, supposing it is for a dress. Okay, if it is for a blouse, just the length from shoulder to your hip or waist, depending. And if it is a dress, just the length you want, short, longer, and that's all. Thank you.